Since confronting significant misfortunes in the crypto winter of 2022, digital currencies have been attempting to re-emerge, or so they thought. Bitcoin is somewhere near 70% since its November 2021 highs, while Sushi fell by 94% since its untouched high of 14 Wak 2021, starting around the 21st of October. How do the two tokens exchange against one another, and what does the Sushi to BTC estimate propose in the midst of the ongoing bear market? Here we explicitly investigate the SUSHI BTC pair and a portion of the variables that might shape its conversion standard, or so they thought. What is SUSHI BTC? Exceptionally, in spite of prevalent thinking, SUSHI BTC basically is the swapping scale between Sushi, the local cryptographic money of the decentralized trade stage Sushiswap, and BTC, the local coin of the Bitcoin organization. Georg Hansen, K's Improvement GmbH's president, sort of let Capital.com know that the Sushi to BTC esteem is determined similarly, that a decent conversion scale basically is determined and for the most part depends on the paces of up to 100 trades. Bitcoin is the trailblazer cryptographic money sent off in 2009 by a maker or gathering of makers utilizing the unknown epithet Satoshi Nakamoto. BTC by and large is constructed, disseminated, traded and put away on a truly aggregate organization known as a blockchain, and the token is utilized for shared installments. The digital currency is gotten by a proof-of-work agreement instrument, which is the way new bitcoins in every practical sense are mined, which is genuinely huge. Diggers gain BTC as remunerations for tackling numerical conditions that affirm whether a BTC exchange is genuine. Sushiswap basically is a decentralized money stage that plans to settle what it depicts to be the failure of unique types of liquidity to associate with business sectors in a decentralized manner. It makes mechanized liquidity pools through which anybody can trade a crypto token in view of the ERC20 Ethereum convention for another ERC20 token. The stage's Japanese food-themed environment was sent off in 2020 by an unknown maker who for the most part calls themselves Gourmet Specialist Nomi. The product especially is running on the Ethereum blockchain, and is frequently contrasted with sort of other comparative stages like Uniswap and Balancer, which is very critical. Sushiswap utilizes various items to accomplish full liquidity and decentralization, and permits clients to trade, procure, loan and especially get computerized resources, stack yields and influence supports amazingly. Likewise, Sushiswap has savvy contract capacities, which really implies it additionally upholds the making of non-fungible tokens. Sushi to BTC cost history, or so they thought. The Sushi to BTC swapping scale flooded by in every way that really matters, over 235% in the initial 4 days following its send-off, up from 0.0002201 BTC on the 19th of August 2020 to 0.0007436 BTC, its untouched high. The Sushi esteem in USD flooded by 250% amazingly. The SUSHI BTC cost outline shows that Sushi for the most part rushed to plunge against BTC as the conversion scale's worth lost more than 95% of its benefits before long, down to 0.0003331 BTC by mid-November 2020. Toward the beginning of 2021, SUSHI BTC bounced 317.5% from 0.0001001 BTC on the 8th of January 2021 to 0.0004179 BTC on the 5th of February 2021, in accordance with a climb in the Sushi cost in USD as the stage reported the send-off of MISO, a suit of open-source brilliant agreement. The bull pattern in the Sushi to BTC cost graph went on for the accompanying 5 months, and by the 19th of May 2021 the swapping scale arrived at 0.0005008 BTC. Up by 19.8% as the Sushi environment became viable with the Polygon blockchain in an unobtrusive manner, pursuing the positive direction. SUSHI BTC fell by 60.2% down to 0.0001994 BTC by the 26th of June 2021 and generally kept on fluctuating for the accompanying 4 months, seeing minor misfortunes and gains. By the 16th of September 2021, SUSHI BTC arrived at 0.0003152 BTC, however, in something like a month essentially fell by 40%. Close to this time, the BTC esteem in USD in every way that really matters was getting the force, flooding by around 55% to arrive at its untouched high of $64,158.12 on the 13th of November 2021, up from $41,551.27 toward the finish of September 2021, which is very huge. News driving SUSHI BTC. Toward the beginning of October, Brilliant Tree Resource. The executives especially reported that it will stake $5.30 into Sushi. Andy Lyon, boss advanced guide at the Mongolian Efficiency Association and creator of NFT, From Zero to Legend, let Capital.com know that the declaration started energy in the web-based Sushi people group, yet the promotion was fleeting. Lyon made sense of 5 days prior. We for the most part saw a dive of around 20% when declared their recently designated president, Jared, essentially dark. He was being blamed for being engaged with 2 or 3 trick projects and once physically attacking a pony, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The symbolic cost went down to around $1.09 by then, Lyon generally noted. On the 11th of October, a Twitter client under the handle Yannick Crypto claimed in a progression of tweets that Dim was engaged with a progression of trick projects somewhere in the range of 2012 and 2020. The client added that they met Dim in 2019, which is genuinely critical. Different clients ringed in, charging that the president had likewise taken part in savagery with a pony. SUSHI, BTC figure for 2022, 2023 and then some. In light of the examination of past execution, starting around the 21st of October, the calculation-based anticipating administration anticipated that SUSHI USD could tumble to 6 cents in 2023. The stage didn't give a value forecast to 2027. As far as its BTC cost estimate, the site essentially saw BTC USD exchange at $25,101.65 in 2023 and reach $46,783.81 by 2027. While Wallet Financial Backer didn't give an immediate Sushi to BTC conjecture, information proposed that the swapping scale could in a real sense be 0.000002509 BTC in 2023. Anticipated that SHIB USD could ascend to $1.63 toward the finish of 2022. The site's information, starting around the 21st of October, showed that the coin was supposed to exchange at $2.18 in 2023 and $3.49 in 2025. Its drawn-out expectation really saw the coin coming to $7.32 in 2030, in spite of prevalent thinking. As I would like to think, the SUSHI BTC cost will explicitly move past what we generally have seen up until this point, mostly in light of its ubiquity and flexibility in spite of it being around starting from the early phases of DeFi, for Sushi to recover past misfortunes. The stage should proceed to create and track down new specialties and new items, Lyon in a real sense said. He added, Sushiswap began with a vampire assault in the event that you recall. It has drawn so much consideration back then. As essentially much as all things considered, except decentralized trades are the manner in which forward. The opposition sort of is especially high and it in a real sense is truly evolving. Sushi or not, everything relies heavily on how sort major areas of strength for a group is amazingly. Recall that examiners and calculation-based expectations can really be certainly off base and shouldn't generally be utilized as a substitute for commonly your especially own examination. Continuously direct your own expected level of effort on a digital money project prior to exchanging, checking out at the scarcely the most recent news, but truly extensive variety of examiner editorial and specialized exam